Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. What are we making? Say cornbread. Cornbread. Okay. So mommy's gonna crack the egg, okay? Mommy's gonna crack the egg. Okay? Okay. We need 1 egg. So mommy is going to crack the egg. And then you're gonna mix it. Well, we don't necessarily have to mix right now. We're gonna put it in the cornbread mix, and you're gonna mix that. And I'm gonna let you put the egg into the cornbread mix. And then we're gonna oil the pan up. And then we're gonna pour the cornbread mix into the pan. And it's gonna be yummy. Okay, mommy has to open the egg. Okay? Okay. Okay, mommy has opened the egg, and no, we don't need the eggshell inside the bowl. No, you can play with that, but we need the egg for the cornbread mix. We don't need that in the egg. Okay. Okay, so mommy needs you to pour the cornbread mix into the bowl. So put the egg down. Put the egg down. You gotta put the egg down. Okay. We're gonna take the box and we're gonna pour it into the bowl. Come on. Hold the box. Take the box. Like this. Hold the box. And you should pour it into the bowl. Pour it all in there. Pour. Shake. Shake. Until it's all in there. Good job. Okay, wait a minute. Now you can take the egg and put it inside. So no, not that egg. This right here, what was inside the egg. So put that down. Put this down. Now hold the bowl. Pour it into the mix. Good job. All the way in there. Okay. Nope, we don't need this. I'm going to put this up here because I don't want you putting that inside the mix. Okay. Now we need milk. How can we forget the milk? Yes. Mommy's going to pour the milk. Okay, mommy normally eyeballs this and pours it. If we need more, we'll just mix it in there. I'll pour more in there. So, let's see. You want to mix it? Mix it. Gotta mix. 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 Okay, we definitely need more milk. So you keep mixing. Keep on mixing it. Mix. Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl with this hand. Gotta hold the bowl. Hold it and mix it with the other hand. There you go. Good job. Look at mommy's baby cooking like a big girl. Okay, we had to add some more milk. So just mix some more. I'm gonna mix a little bit more. are such a big girl. Can't wait to taste it. You still mixing? Okay, now we have to oil the pan. So mommy's gonna do that, okay? You can keep mixing. You're such a big helper. I love it. Thank you for helping mommy. Okay, mommy has the pan all oiled up with some Crisco. When you don't have pan, you gotta improvise. So mommy got the pan all oiled up. So now that it's all mixed, thanks to my big helper, we're gonna pour it into the bowl. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Okay, we're gonna put the fork over here. Let's put the fork over there in that bowl. Okay? Put it in there, drop it. Drop it. Let it go. Let it go, baby. We're done mixing. Okay, now we're gonna pour it into the bowl. You ready?
No.
I know you wanna mix, but right now we have to pour it in the bowl. Come on. We're done mixing, baby. I'll let you mix something else or help me wash the dish out. But right now we have to pour it into the bowl. Come on. Can you help mommy?
Mommy.
Please.
No. Whoa.
Okay, so mommy's gonna do it. I know. Please be careful. Okay, mommy's gonna have to pour it in the bowl. So pour. Pour. Okay, so the remainder you can go ahead and play in the bowl if you want, okay? Mommy's gonna put this in the oven. Gotta set it to 350 and I have to actually get you away from the oven, baby, so I can put it in there. But you can play with that. You have fun? You have fun? No. Don't put that. Did you have fun?
No.
What? Why? Because I stopped you from mixing?
No.
Okay, that's your favorite word, no. Okay. Well, mommy's going to have to put it in the oven now. Okay?
Okay.
So you're going to get down? Yes, we're going to get down. And that is the end of the video.